today, 50 feet. Roman Slate texture mat. Tomorrow we'll stain it light gray and antique it with dark gray. Put sealer on it, should look fantastic. That's it, end of day one, and we have this yard graded. We took out about 16 yards of horrible front yard. We set our 50-foot curb here, and we have forms ready for tomorrow. We have this stamped with an ashlar slate pattern, and we will light grade, dark grade this tomorrow. Yeah, they got it. I'll put a skinny filter on it.
What I'm getting at is we don't want to go directly across.
Oh yeah. Did you go area over? End of day 3, and we have this lawn installed. It looks fantastic. This is called PawScape. It's great for pets, and it stays cooler in the weather. Should be a seamless entrance into the backyard. So this is now a low maintenance yard for our client, and it'll last them a long time.